Hi, we will be making a Facebook styled status, small posting web application which would create a status like something like this, which is presently you can have a look at the Facebook status. The picture will go there, profile picture, and the first name and the last name, and that will be the status. Like button, comment, share, time, and then the people who liked it, along with the commenter with their profile picture, name, comment, and the like button too. So basically we will be creating this from start. So I'll be creating a series of tutorials one by one, so you can follow them from the starting. And at the end you will make an application which through which you can create post statuses like Facebook, and also comment on the statuses. Let's start with the text box, or the status box, where you have to write the status and click the post button. I am using the EasyPHP as my testing server. I made a new FB status folder, and I'm placing all the files in that. So first we'll make the index file. I'm naming all the files as PHP. So that'll be an index file. I won't be focusing on the web page. I'll be only focusing on the only the status posting part. Let's start. So let's quickly write the basic stuff. We want to center. Okay, this is not, I don't have the doc type everything because I'm not focusing on that right now. I'll just include the Java Jquery script. Okay, I have the file. I would have to copy the file from my another folder. Basically, if you've followed my other tutorials on the Jquery basic tutorials, you'll get to know from where I got the Jquery file. And yeah, that's it. Just copying it there. Yeah, so that's my Jquery file. And let's just start with the let's run this through. Okay, there's a blank page, and we'll start with the text box. So let's make a form with an action of blank. I'll tell you why, because I'll be posting the status using Ajax or Jquery and Ajax. It will not be posted through PHP, so I don't want you to keep any action, because I don't want the form to be submitted to a page through PHP. And I want you to write on submit return false, close the form, and then I'll make the text area with an ID of status. I'll style the text area later. And we can write anything here, you know, write status here, but you know, for the start I wouldn't do that. I'll style the text area with a width of about 300 pixels, height of about 100 pixels. We can just check it out later. With a border of 1 pixel solid. Let's just keep it black. I'm just keeping everything simple here. and I'm giving padding of about 5 pixels just to make it neat and clean, and the font family would be Vardana for now, and yeah, that's about it. Just check the status box. Okay, so that's, and then few more things we need to add is let's change the border to something else. And okay, we don't want the text area to be resizable by the user, and we don't want the outline of the text area when he clicks on the text area, and this should be in the center of the page. Okay, so margin auto won't help us, so let's just make a div in, global div, which will hold everything in the web page. Let's keep the div width 900 and margin of about 10 pixels on the top, and let it be auto on the sides. But that's it, and just keep the okay, let's that doesn't mind then. Anyways, I'm not focusing on the text area, so that's the text area. Okay, and now we'll make the button with an ID of post button with the styling, and also close the button. We can have any type of clicking link, because we'll be having Ajax to do the firing up thingy, and this will have this, and color I'll keep it white with the background color of, let's say, ratings and okay, and yeah, that's about it. Let the border be 0, cursor be pointer. Okay, I'll just give it a small width of about 90 pixel, height of about 25 pixel. Okay, that's fine, no problem. And after everything, we'll just give a few break tags, and we'll create a div where all statuses will be there. So we'll name it with an ID of div all statuses status, and we'll style it with the margin of width of the global div has a width of 900, so let it be 700 pixels. And we won't specify the height, because we need to add as many statuses as possible. So I won't specify the height. The width is 700, and we need a border of about 1 pixel, so let's say CC, and we need a padding of 10 pixels on all sides, and margin top of 10 pixels. Yeah, that's about it. That's fine there. And yeah, let's just write something and see that the paddings and everything is fine. Yeah, okay, we can increase the padding to 15, make it a little neater and looks okay. And now all statuses will be posted in this area here in the all status div. So that's about that, and let's start off with the JavaScript and Jquery. Okay, that's there, and close the script. that's now when we click the post button, we need the status to be posted and saved in our database. So we need to make a database. This is my PHP my admin. I've made a database with the name FB status, and I'm creating a table with the name status. But before that, we need to store the users details, to store the names and everything. So let's just we just need the ID of the user, the first name, the last name, and yeah, that's about it. Let us have a look. The first name, last name, the profile picture, it's up to you. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll have 3 columns here for now. Users, where in the 3 columns, one would be the ID of the user with an auto increment, the first name, I'll just name it fname, data type var, and 200 name, data type, then 200, same thing. Let's save the table now. And one more table we need to create as status, with a column of we would be requiring an ID, and status text, the status poster, and the time. So that would be four columns, and yeah, that would be it. 4 columns. The ID of the status, that would be an auto increment. We need the status, that'll be the status, and that'll be text. And we need the status poster ID, it'll be basically the ID. And we need the time of the status. And yeah, that's about it. Save the table. So for now I won't be focusing on the users and status thing now. So I'll just making the users thing, so I'll just insert 2 users. Fname would be, let it be fname, and lname, fname2, lname2. I'm leaving the ID columns blank because it's an auto increment, so it'll be generated on its own. So let's check the users, and 2 columns have been added. And yeah, that's about it. In the next part, we will be focusing on posting the text from the text box to the database, as well as making a skeleton for the status. You'll understand what I mean by skeleton in the next tutorial, so jump on the next tutorial. Thank you.